Welcome to the Roundtable, and I'm with Aaron Carroll, our city engineer today. Aaron, I'm not sure a lot of people out there know exactly what the city engineering office does. I know a lot of what you've been doing for the last 6-8 months has had to do with the Atlanta gas pipeline, and we'll come back to that real quickly. But tell us a little bit about the things that you're involved with, right? The projects you've got going on right now.
Well, currently, Doug, we have a lot of subdivision projects going on. Luckily, Rome is beginning to grow again, the residential market. So we house, while we house a lot of records, we also review subdivision plans for compliance with all local, state, and sometimes federal regulations. So that involves taking a raw piece of dirt, of course, and as the engineer develop plans and bring it in, we check for storm drainage, road design, lot layouts, water, sewer, all the utilities that support the development of that project. So we have some of those on the desk now. We also have a good many commercial developments currently either underway and under construction. Also have some commercial plans that are there in the office under review as well. So we have those going on, finishing up some work for the community improvement department here with the City of Rome, Becky Fox and that group, finishing up, fixing to do some more sidewalk rehabilitation, curb and gutter rehabilitation down on Maple Street, have that underway. So we have all those projects, as well as we provide support to police, fire, water, sewer, every other department for the sewer. So for the city. So we stay on task and stay quite busy.
And you're engineering the trails. I think the addition around from the end of Mount Berry to our Murchie Connector is on the table now?
That's correct. We call that Phase 2 currently. They're finishing up our bridge plans. At this time, bridge plans ought to be complete within a few weeks, and we'll put the bridge out for bid, that sort of thing. Also continuing to work with Wright Bagby and the folks over at the county as we procure the additional easements we need to get us from the end of where the trail is now on over to the Murchie Connector. So yeah, we've got that one. Got enough going on that I obviously forget about some things that are going on, so much is going on.
And of course, AGL, that project is winding down finally. I know that has occupied hours and hours and hours and hours. Ultimately, though, that's going to be done here pretty quick, isn't it?
Well, ultimately, they'll have the gas turned on, which is their big goal, is to get gas to IP. So I understand they'll have gas on very soon to IP, and then it'll be a matter of backing up and putting much more of a focus on restoration of our streets, roads, trail areas, back to the way they were prior to AGL getting here. So they've got a good bit of restoration work to do, but they're headed in that direction, and we're working with them, and they've been good to work with. They had a huge task themselves to overcome coming through Rome instead of getting to go around Rome. So it's been a job.
All right, Aaron, thank you much for being with us.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.